My name is Grega Mastnak. I'm here in Animateca with my film Prince Kikido and 100 Unhappy Mushrooms. This film is part of a TV series I just started, so this is the first episode. So the main character, Prince Kikido, is actually a little chicken, but also a big superhero or something. This series is meant for very little children. Before I did one series with maybe a little bit similar characters, but maybe also a little bit more crazy and more fun. But this is for little, but like smaller population, so it's like not so much fun. But also I try to make it funny, and these absurd ideas. This is I usually work with this because otherwise I'm boring when I'm creating the script and also the animation. Now I just finished this one, so here in January we started the second episode. I hope like in the 2015 we have 5 of them, so we just do it slowly, like and in this time I will try to find some financer to make it like real series, or maybe we just leave it like this, maybe 10 episodes. I cannot really consider myself as art activist. I am a painter by my education, and I also enjoy this art movement. The Museum of Too Modern Art. I have strong opinions political, but I'm not so much active in this. Maybe it's becoming very like ordinary, like Slovenian animation. There's not so much experimental movies and so on. Including myself. I wish to make one like more artistic. I must say I'm quite surprised now the production is increasing, so there is more and more movies. I wish Animateca will last for at least the next 20 years, and that it will still inspire our new generation of animators, and also that it will bring some other animators also to Slovenia, and to make this more open space and